Hi everyone! Today we get to meet the new monster truck and take him in for an upgrade and some cool new body kit additions. Here he comes now! Alright, are you ready to go in? Great, let's go! Down the elevator to the mechanic room. Wow, this room is huge! Are you ready for your upgrade? First, let's take you through the car wash. Oh, you don't like the bathing idea, huh? Don't worry, it'll be okay. Nice and clean, that's it. Looking good. Now, to the designing room. Great! Now that we're in the designing room, let's try some colors. Let's see. Purple? Not bad. White? No, too bright. What about green? Oh, you don't like green? How about blue? Yeah, this is perfect! Alright, let's put on some cool decals and stickers for you. Wow, there's so many to choose from! Let's go with this one. Fire! That looks awesome! Now a sticker on the back, and some fire on the other side, and now some stickers under the lights at the front. This is looking so cool. What about the top? Perfect. Now let's change the color of the rims. Yellow. Those go perfectly with your new body color. Oh, what's in here? Wow! Look at all these props and accessories we can add. Punk hair? Afro hair. Horns? Even tusks! These are hilarious! For now, let's just put a scoop on the hood and a wing at the back. And also add some exhaust pipes. Wow, you look awesome. This is amazing. You're the best monster truck I've ever seen. Let's show off these sweet new changes to our friends. Wow, amazing. So cool. Don't forget to subscribe to appMink so you don't miss any cool new upgrades like this guy just got. See you next time!